So you have multiple Instagram accounts, but you only want to receive notifications from one of them. How can we do so? Well, let's find out how. To do so, we have to turn off all notifications from other accounts which we do not want any messages, and only have notifications for one account. Let me show you how to turn them off. Let's open up Instagram. Press and hold the bottom right icon and open the account where we want our notifications to be turned off. Open your profile by clicking the icon on the bottom right and tap on the three lines at the top. Click on Settings and click on Notifications. We can choose to turn off the notifications for a set period of time by toggling on Pause All. We can then choose how long our notifications is turned off, from 15 minutes all the way to 8 hours. But to permanently turn off all notifications, we have to turn off the push notifications from each section. Now you won't need to worry about this account. If you have more accounts, then you can turn them off in the same way. You now have Instagram notifications turned on for only one account. Well, I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.